So yeah, the bird count on Saturday morning went well. It was more of a bird watching day more than photography. Didn't get a whole lot of great images, maybe a golden crown kinglet. But we did get a bunch of birds for our list for this year, up to 125. I got the green heron, peregrine falcon, gray-cheeked thrush, white-throated sparrow. We're just at Hills Provincial Park right now. It's just another beautiful day on the holiday Monday of Canadian Thanksgiving weekend. We got Rudy with us this time. Say hi, Rudy.
Hi, Rudy.
Say hi, Rudy. Fall birding is nice because the leaves are starting to fall off the trees, and obviously it's a lot more colorful, which makes for really colorful photos. A lot of the birds are heading back south, so there's the fall migration in progress. There's still lots of leaves in the trees, so it is hard to spot them. But it is a great time, and obviously the weather is just perfect too. Some of the birds we've heard, mostly heard and not seen today, are the northern flicker, downy woodpecker, black-capped chickadee, golden crown kinglet, and blue jay. Let's play Name That Call.
Name that bird. Blue jay.
Blue jay. The most obnoxious sounding bird call in the world. Just added another bird to the list, and which bird would that be, Ash?
Yellow rump.
Yellow rumped warbler.